In today's video, I'll be showing you how to share audio and video files that are stored locally on your computer. Now, if you're not sure what Google Meet is, it is a video conferencing software that most schools and institutions are using around the world during the COVID-19 pandemic. It is used for online lessons to replace the ones that are offline in institutions and also in schools. Now, there is actually a limitation if you use Google Meet as a way of teaching students and whatnot, and that is the present show feature does not allow you to share offline audio and video sounds. It only allows you to share the ones in your Chrome tab. That means basically, let's say if you have YouTube open and there's a video in it, you can share that audio in YouTube, but then for offline files that will not work. So there's actually a workaround. Of course, this workaround is pretty simple, and that is by treating your browser as a video or audio player. Yeah, since you can actually play video and audio files in YouTube and also on Spotify or YouTube Music, that means Chrome itself is already a pretty decent video and audio player on its own. So how are we going to do that? Well, pretty simple. I'm just going to go to the desktop. I have two audio files here, audio and video files that I've set up. What I'm going to do is just going to right click on one of the files, go to open with, and then choose another app if you don't have the option to select Chrome or other Chrome equivalent. I'm going to use the Chrome equivalent here called Brave, so I'm just going to click on that, and as you can see, music is playing in the browser. So I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Google Meet. I'm just going to click on present now. I'll click on a tab, and I'm just going to click on the audio file, and then make sure that you check share tab audio and click on share. And then once you do that, the participants inside the meeting can listen to the audio file that is stored locally on your computer. Alright, so you can play the file and then other people can listen to it. Of course, there might be some degradation in audio quality, which is the same for all audio files that are played online, but it's definitely better than having the audio being detected by your microphone, which will yield even weaker audio quality. All right, so I'm going to test that with video. So I'm just going to stop sharing. All right, and I'm just going to go back to my desktop. I'm going to right click on this video. I'm going to open with Brave or Chrome if you have that. All right, so you can see the video is playing in the browser. So it's going to go back. I'm going to present a tab. And then I'm going to click on the MP4 file, and then I'm going to share the tab audio. So I'm going to share. So once you go back to Google Meet, it will share the tab audio as well. You can try this out on your own. You can have two devices in one Google Meet video conferencing link, and then you can try and share the audio directly using your Chrome tab, and then you can have another device, either a phone or a tablet or another computer, listen to whether or not the audio is there. But as you can see here, it's definitely there, since you can mute the slide if you want. You can also unmute it, which means that it's definitely sharing the audio directly inside the Chrome tab. Alright, I hope you learned something today, and thank you for watching this video. Hope you see you again in the future. Goodbye. Stay safe.